Section B, number of intersections of a line and a parabola. Here, we consider the simultaneous equation C and L. Okay, one is quadratic graphs, one is linear graphs. And we usually substitute L into C. Then you get this one. And we need to group in x squared, x, and the constant part. So you see that this one as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. That means this one is a quadratic equation, right? So we can consider the discriminant. Okay, consider the discriminant. That means b squared minus 4ac. Now you see that this one, b and c here. So b squared minus 4ac. Okay, b squared minus 4ac. That means the delta. Okay, so same as quadratic equation, we'll have 3 different cases. We can determine the number of roots. Okay, so when delta smaller than 0, that means no real roots. Delta equals to 0, that means 2 equal roots. Delta greater than 0, that means 2 distinct real roots. Right? So you see that what means of no real roots? No real roots means here C and L do not intersect each other. Okay? If only equal roots, that means C and L touch each other only at one point. Touch at one point. And the last one, if greater than 0, that means 2 real roots, right? 2 real roots, that means intersect at 2 points. 2 points. Okay? So we can make use of these relations to solve some questions. Okay? So remember, substitute the linear part into quadratic part. Let's see one example. 9.2i. 9.2i. Here in the figure, the graph y equals to negative x squared plus 3x plus 4, that means this curve, cuts the y-axis at A. This curve cuts at A. L is a line with a slope negative 1/3, and it cuts C at A and B. This straight line L cuts C at A and B. Okay, part A. Ask you to find the coordinates of A. Find the coordinates of A. So let's see. Part A. Because you need to find the coordinates, that means what is X and what is Y. You need to find this one. Since A is this curve C cuts as A cuts the y-axis, that means C cuts the y-axis at A. What means of this? Therefore, you substitute x equals to 0 into the curve C, right? Therefore, y equals to negative x squared plus 3x plus 4. You see that y equals to 4. So very easy. The coordinates of A are 0, 4, right? However, if the question asks you to tell or answer what is the y-intercept, do you know the answer? If the question asks us about the y-intercept of C, y-intercept of C, maybe I write it like this. Okay. Then you need to answer like this. Y-intercept of C is, okay, 4. Okay. So you see that y-intercept is a value only, and coordinates you need to find x and y. And now points A lies on y-axis because C cuts the y-axis at A. Therefore, x is 0. Okay, x is 0. So easy to find the coordinates of A. Let's go on part B. Find the equation of L. Equation of L. Okay, let's see. If now you have, okay, part B, I write here. You need to find the equation of L. That means you need to think about two conditions. What is the slope and what is the point? Can you find two things? Okay, if you have the points, have a slope, then you can find equation of straight line easily. You know the slope. Okay, this one equals to -1/3. How about the points? Yeah, point A, just find it. So 0, 4. That means you can find the equation of L. Very good. So let's see. Y minus 4 over x minus 0 equals to the slope, -1/3. Right? So y minus 4 equals to -1/3x. So rearrange it. 3y minus 12 equals to -x. Okay, so x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. So equation of L is x squared, oh not x squared, x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, actually you can make use of the slope intercept form because you know the slope is -1/3. So y equals to mx plus c. What is c? Y-intercept. That means 4. You can start from here and then rewrite in general form. That's fine. Okay? That means same as this one. Right. Okay? Goes on. Part C. Have a look. Part C. Find the equation, not equation, find the area of triangle OAB. Triangle OAB. Let me join OB together. Okay, so you need to find this area. What can we do? This one is triangle, so you can find the base and the height of the triangle. Which one is base and which one is height of the triangle? So let's see. I cancel out the shaken part. Okay, can you tell me where's the height of the triangle? Yeah, we can make use of OA as a base, then point B can find the height, right? That means what? Great. That means we can use the coordinate of B to help us, right? So here, maybe we have a certain value, A, okay? And we don't know the height, right? So if we can find the value of A, then the height of a triangle equals to A, right? So let's see. How can we solve the coordinates of B? Remember, now we have y equals to negative x squared plus 3x plus 4, right? And we also have the straight line equation x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, we can consider this one. Consider this simultaneous equation. Then if we solve the simultaneous equation, that means we can find point A coordinates and point B coordinates, right? If we can find these two, that means we can find the height of the triangle. That's great. So easy, right? Substitute the second equation, okay, or the first equation into the second one. Both can be, okay? So now this one is y. Okay, this time try. Substitute the first one into the second one. Means x plus 3y so y equals to negative x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, that means we now get the quadratic equations. Let's see. X squared minus 3x squared plus 9x plus 12 minus 12 equals to 0. Right, at the end, negative 3x plus 10x equals to 0, and x equals to 3x. X times 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So x equals to 0, or x equals to 10 over 3. What means of these two values? What means of these two x values? Great. This one is the x coordinate of A. And how about this one? Yeah, this one as the x coordinates of B. Even we haven't find the value of y, we have already find the x coordinates of intersecting points. Therefore, x coordinates of B equals to 10 over 3, right? Very good. Therefore, area of triangle OAB equals to OA times the height of a triangle. So now what is OA? OA equals to 4, right? Correct. And B, not B, height is 10 over 3. So the answer, 20 over 3 unit squares. Great. Okay, so you can solve this equation and find the coordinates of A, then find the equation of L. Finally, we can find the area of triangle OAB. Okay, so let's try some more classwork and homework.